In this section, we're going to talk about the different types of journeys which you can create on Mergn. So over here, if I come to the journey section, I have an option to create new journeys, and I see, similar to campaigns, that I have three options to create a journey. Whether it is event triggered, whether it is one time, or whether it is periodic. So some platforms journeys are called automation flows as well. We call them journeys. And the main difference between campaigns and journeys and these trigger criteria are, in case of campaigns, whenever there's an event triggered or one time or periodic campaign, that is the time when the campaign actually executed and sent to the customer. But in journeys or automation flows, based upon these behaviors, the campaign is not sent to the customer, but in fact the customers are qualified to become part of the journey, right? So we will have a look at each of these conditions. So the first is event triggered. So if we want to bring customers into a journey or automation flow where we want to engage with them on different channels based upon customer behavior, then we use event triggered journey. And a classic example of this is a customer who has added items to cart but did not complete order. This is a real-time behavior which is happening on the platform. So if that behavior happens, qualify this customer into the journey and then engage with that customer on different channels. This would be a classic example of an event triggered journey, which is based upon customer behavior. The second journey is a one-time automation flow, and this is usually used when you want to. So how a one-time would work is, you have a set of customers who haven't come back to your business for the last 1 year, and you have 50,000 of those customers. So you create a one-time journey, and in that one-time journey, you qualify those 50,000 customers to come into the journey once, and once they're inside the journey, then they get multiple messages. They first get a WhatsApp message, then email, then SMS, to convert them and bring most of those customers back to your business. So if you want to qualify customers one time into the journey, then you use the one time journey here. The periodic journey is that if you have built a journey where you need to look at a segment of customers on a daily or weekly basis, and then at specific gap you want to bring those customers into the journey, then you use a periodic campaign. So a classic example of this would be a 30-day retention journey which we have on Mergn. Now what that 30-day retention journey does is, it looks at customer who placed an order with us exactly 30 days ago, and if they haven't come back in the last 30 days, the journey would qualify customers for those days and then start targeting them. Now the thing with this journey is that it executes on a daily basis and sees customers who placed an order exactly 30 days ago but haven't returned since. So this is a classic case of periodic journey. Thank you.